Big shout out to Google and Team Pixel for sending this out for me to review. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the Google Pixel Collection. Hashtag Team Pixel in the house, baby. Let's get it. Now, I'm pretty sure y'all seen a million of these unboxings, so we're gonna make this one short and simple. Google Pixel Collection. Bam! You open up the display box and look at what we got in here. This beautiful Pixel 7 Pro and the beautiful Pixel Watch. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and remove these out of here. I'm going to give you a quick look at the watch here. Bam! Look at this. Look at this. Looks super premium. Nice. Let's go ahead and dust that off. Look at that. Very nice feel looking watch. The crown feels smooth. It is a button as well. Nice and smooth. Looks good. You got a heart sense monitor there. The band feels very soft to the touch. Almost feels comfortable. It seems like it's not too stiff nor too soft. It just feels just about right. And you do have a button right there as well. Very good looking Pixel watch. Now we do have, this thing is glued on here or something, but damn, they hella crazy glued that bad boy on there. Oh damn. So let me go ahead. Here we go. Here, see, mine was missing this tab, so I couldn't pull it. I had to rip this bad boy off. So let's go ahead and remove that. We have the beautiful, let's get Pixel 7 Pro there. Feels very good in hand. Now make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. I am going to have a bunch of comparisons. I'm going to compare this to the new iPhone 14 Pro Max and obviously the Pixel 6 Pro, the Pixel 7, the Pixel 6. If you're making an upgrade from those devices, make sure you stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe so you know when those videos come out. But this device looks absolutely fantastic. A little bit fingerprinty here, but it's okay. And I call this, I know it's obsidian color, but I call this Vader Chrome because it looks absolutely fantastic. So pretty sure you've seen the device. Now the antenna is a little bit different. Very nice, slick looking device. Let's go ahead and put the Pixel 7 back on here. Now I am going to boot it up later on and do the install, but let's go ahead and remove it. I'm going to give you a quick look at the boxes, your retail package in here. This is what you're going to get, and this is what you're going to get inside. This is for your Pixel 7 Pro here. Now you are going to get your warranty information there with a SIM injection tool in between there. You are going to get the adapter, USB to Type-C adapter to transfer your data, and you are going to get your charging cable, Type-C to Type-C. No charging brick in the box again, and I think we're never going to see that again in the box. But that is your Pixel 7 Pro unboxing. Now this is what you're gonna get when you buy your Pixel Watch retail unit. This is what you're gonna get: Pixel Watch LTE with Fitbit. Let's go ahead and unbox it. You're gonna be presented with the watch when you do, but what do we have inside? We get all the information needed, your warranty information, a Google card, and your instruction manual on how to properly operate and disengage and engage your bands in different languages. You also get your charging cable. Let's see if I can get it out. Here we go. You get your charging cable. Now it's a little Hucky Puck style charging device wirelessly, and it is Type-C. No charging brick in the box as well, and you do have an extra band here. Let's take a quick look at this band. Now this does have a size here. It's for small, so if you have a smaller wrist, maybe this one's the perfect size for you. You do have a G logo there. Looks very good, very soft. This is their exclusive watch band technology there. Bam, look at that. Feels very soft to the touch, but that is all you get when you do buy your Pixel watch. This is the retail packaging here for your Pixel watch and your Google Pixel 7. Anyways, guys, this was just a quick unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.